Hi, and welcome to Massell Creations. Remember the little booties we made the little Santa boot out of? I'm going to make the same exact thing today, except we're going to make it into baby shower boots. So I have a pink Let's Resin. This is holographic pink, and this is Nodway blue cyan. I don't know if you can hear my grand dog walking around in the background. The ice cream truck just went by. You would think he's a little kid. He is prancing around the house like, oh, what is this noise? I'm sorry. That was pretty funny. I swear I've never had him out to the ice cream truck. It's December. Why would the ice cream truck be running? All right. The Let's Resin comes out of the chrome powder set, and Nodway is just, it's off of Amazon. I'll put a link for it in the description below. The Let's Resin chrome powders does have a blue, and if you want this really deep blue, it's very pretty. It's just not the blue I was going for. I wanted something a little bit lighter. What is this one? A light blue. Oh, I have changed my mind. We're going to go with that one. I've not used that one. It's very glittery looking. So we'll see what it looks like. All right. In the meantime, it's okay. It's all right. Go lay down. I measured the top portion of our little boot that I want it to be white. I want it to look fluffy or silky or like the top of a really soft little winter boot. So it's about 3/4 of an ounce here. And I found when I poured the Santa boot, it was easier to pour this portion in whatever color you wanted. This particular case, we're using white. And then when this dries, we're going to go in and use our chrome powders and coat the inside of it all the way up to the top, but not including this little piece of sole that runs around the bottom. We will leave that blank, and then we're going to pour black in here, and that chrome powder really pops out there against that. So less yakking, more pouring. And again, all I want to do is pour it up to the top of that little top section of this boot. And then we're going to let it cure. We're going to come back. I'm going to paint the inside of the boot, back it in black, and unmold it. Should be pretty easy. I know, Baxter. I heard it. You don't know what the ice cream trick is. What are you doing? It's okay. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I got off so much, but I poured way too much. So I'm going to pour this into something extra and we'll be back.
Pouring my heart in resin piece by piece, capturing life in a moment's release. A swirl of color, a story untold, solid as love, clear and bold.
All right. So I have gone ahead and I've added our colors like I said we would. I went around the edge and cleaned all of the color off of the edge so that we didn't have to worry about any of that getting showing up through our black. And I wish I'd have thought about it prior. It's too late now. But I wish I'd have done white resin in there so that I would have had a white top, the baby blue, baby pink, and then a white bottom. I didn't think about it. We're going to do it in black anyway. It'll be fine. These cups don't come with a pour spout like this. I was warming my resin up with my heat gun and got the edge a little warm. So that's the reason we have a pour spout on this one. That's not normal. We're just going to fill these up. And since we have painted the shoe and left the sole blank or unpainted, we'll get the blue shoe and the black soles. And this is it. We'll be done as soon as this dries. I did run this through. I have a new vacuum chamber that I have. We did run that through our vacuum chamber to get all of the bubbles out. And I am hoping and praying that I have enough resin. I had my paddle draining into our other shoe. I'm just gonna, oops, I missed it. Oh, my nose. Not a good time to be itchy. I just want to put something under there to catch the extra dribbles that I might have coming off of there. And we're going to top I missed my jar when I first started dripping that in. Oh my goodness. I always make a mess. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I do. I'm very good at that part of this job. Oh yeah, I'll scrape it out and we should have plenty if I quit spilling it everywhere. My good, do you see this? I don't know how I do that. All the time. Oh wow. Part of me is wishing I would have just mixed up some more resin and did white instead of black, but it'll be fine. We'll see what it looks like. If I don't like it, we can always do it again. Which these are going to be super cute on tables for baby showers with their votive candle holders, so keep that in mind. So they're to put candles in. You could also take little name tags and put name tags on the outside of them. You know, cut the name out on a Cricut or something and put it on the outside of the shoe. You could put the baby's name or maybe a due date or, you know, a fun little saying. You could put that on the shoe. These would be really cute table decorations for a party. And then eventually it could be a really cute decoration for the baby's room or as a take-home souvenir, whatever you decide to do with it. All right, I think I've made enough of a mess. I'm going to clean up my equipment, clean off my spatula, throw that away, and I will be right back for you to unmold these. See you in a second. All right, before we take those out, let's take a look at these. Made this beautiful little pink turtle. And this pretty little pink flower. And then we have a couple little extras. We got a little duck, little rhinoceros, pretty little butterfly, and then all of these little butterflies. I'm not going to pick them all up. You guys have seen them. You know what they look like. I'm thinking about putting these on our Etsy store and selling them for like 20 or 50 of them. I'm not sure. Otherwise, I'm not 100% sure what to do with them. So, all right. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna hide it off screen here because I don't want anybody looking. Nobody gets to peek, including myself. I'm gonna focus right here. They're still just a little bit soft. Oh, I over poured. Oh, that's where I spilled it over the edge, isn't it? Make sure you always flip your molds right side out. I just did that and the dried stuff on the side went exploded out of there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's our blue. How cute. Oh, I don't think the black on the bottom looks terrible. I gotta trim it, obviously. It needs trimmed, but I can do that. Actually, right now is the best time to do that because it's still soft. It'll come off pretty easy. Actually, it's too soft. It's not cutting off at all. So I'll get to that first thing in the morning. Let it cure overnight. I will let it cure though on the top so that this isn't pushed down to deform it. But anywhoots, the boot itself is super cute. It's a pretty blue. You could even do the other blue that I had and get a better blue, but I'm not going to complain about this one. That's nice. Oh, but that pink. Oh, it's so pretty. You can see all the rainbow colors in it. That is so pretty. Super pretty. All right, that does it, guys. I'll get you some pictures. If you wanted to, you wouldn't have to just leave it here. You could do other stuff. Like I said, you could put names on there. You could put a birth date on there. You could put whatever you wanted, and then it obviously will hold a little votive candle. So super cute for decorations or for a nursery decoration. Obviously, be careful when you're putting this in a children's room. If they're babies, it's not such a big deal, but little ones, you sure don't want them to tip it over and start a fire. So, all right. I'm sure we'll do these in a couple of other colors. I want to try more. This is almost more of a teal color, to me at least. I think I will do a blue, and then I'll probably put them on Etsy and see how they do. Maybe somebody will be interested in them for any of the reasons that we've already listed. So, thanks guys so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you check out one of these other videos. I think you'll probably like them, or at least YouTube sure thinks you will. And until next time, we'll see you then. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Pouring my heart in resin piece by piece, capturing life in a moment's release. A swirl of color, a story untold, solid as love.